Hello everyone. I want to show you a very easy way to sell your books online, your ebooks that is. It's called Payhip, and just so you know how it works, what we're going to do is simply create an account, and then once we do that we can upload our ebook page, and then what we get back is a link where you can share on Facebook, Twitter, or your website, or anywhere else that will accept a link. And this link is basically your buy page or your product page, where users can download your product after paying for it using PayPal, and all payments go directly to your PayPal account. There aren't any transaction fees, setup fees, and it takes literally 60 seconds. You also get some nice stats on how your ebook's doing, views, sales, amounts. So I'm going to show you how this works. So firstly, we're going to sign up. I'm going to just create a test account, and once you do that you can add your PayPal email address where you're going to get paid. So I'll just put my PayPal email, and then you can put your name and then your website, and then save this. Now you can change the settings again if you want to by going to the settings tab. So let's just start adding our ebook. Firstly, let's choose my ebook. Let's call it my best ebook of all time. I want to charge $10 for it. I've got my ebook cover, and for just some text I'll just grab this random text from here. So then we'll just add our ebook, and straight away your ebook's added and you get a link to start sharing. So if we get that link, we can share it on Twitter by just clicking here. But I don't want to do that just yet. I just want to show you what it looks like. So if you copy that link and then go to this page here, and there you go. This is your buy page. You can see your ebook cover, your description, format file, and people can start paying for it. And the payments go all to your PayPal account. So I can just press download, go to PayPal, and there you go. You get paid directly. As I said, it's very simple. You can see the views, how many sales you made, and so forth, and it's as simple as that. Hopefully you can use it. It's payhip.com, payhip.com. So thanks guys.